Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we will learn need and importance of business research. I Dr. Rohan Dahivale welcome you all. Learning questions for today's lecture. What is need of business research and what is importance of business research? Today we will learn about need and importance of business research. Now we will start with our lecture. Business research will furnish information that will reduce uncertainties and handle the risk in the organization. Business organizations engage in extensive research in varied functional activities such as finance, marketing, human resource, etc. Hence, the manager is always expected to forecast the future, devise new systems, and generate new ideas. Take business decisions and decide course of action. Business research not only guides the organization for solving problems, but also to identify various opportunities from the market and formulate the policies to grab these opportunities. What market demands? Market is demanding growth for the organization. All the organizations are focusing on quality enhancement in their products and services to gain customer satisfaction. If the customers are satisfied, naturally the sales will enhance, the market share will increase. With the innovation, if the firm going to achieve, then ultimately that will results to profit. So business demanding growth, quality, customer satisfactions, sales, profit, market share and innovation. Now we will see what is need of business research. These are various points of need of business research. We will see one by one. Profit, profitability enhancement, understanding the market, increase the market share, better decision making, exploring innovative prospects, quality enhancement, suitable growth, competitive advantage, and technology advance. Now we will see each and every point in detail. Need of business research. First point is profitability enhancement. With the help of business research, business organizations can boost their profits by reducing the cost and maximizing wealth of their stakeholders. So, to maximize the wealth by reducing the cost, profitability enhancement can be achieved. This is need of business research. Next need is understanding the market. The era is witnessing a shift from seller's market to buyer's market. This is a great challenge to the business organizations. Those organizations that do not cater the need of the customers are vanished from the market. Hence, business organizations rigorously engage in research to understand the customer requirements, customer needs and wants, and formulate strategies accordingly to meet customers' insight. Next is increase market share. Business organizations often compete in the market by increasingly their market share, which ultimately leads to increase the revenues. Next is quality enhancement. Business organizations consistently strive to create superior customer values. They eliminate non-value added activities from their prospects, from their processes by setting process improvement goals. This will result not only more efficient but also cost effective products and services. So, if the firms want cost effective products and services, they can create superior customer values by efficient and cost effective processes and products and services. Next is explore innovative prospects. Business research identify new opportunities and identify unexpected and unexplored areas in the market to notify the organizations about these opportunities. The firms can grab these opportunities and by exploring various new areas and unexplored areas, they can achieve profits. Next is better decision making. In this dynamic environment, business research furnishes right information at the right time for making both strategic as well as tactical decisions. So, for managers or decision makers to take better decision making, this business research will certainly help. Next point is sustainable growth. Business research provides information so that growth is achieved. Once can be retained. So, information can be led to growth, and this growth can be retained by sustainable growth. Next is competitive advantage. Business research helps the organization to understand the market, design products catering to the market needs, and eliminate non value added activities, thereby reducing cost and thus achieve technology advance thus to achieve competitive advantage. So understand the market, design the products accordingly, reduce the production and processes cost, and eliminate non value added activities. By this we can achieve, a firm can achieve competitive advantage. Next is technology advance. Business research help the organizations to apply technological advancement in the process. Existing problems and loopholes are identified, and the results can be conducted. Research can be conducted. So technological advance, problems can be identified, loopholes can be eliminated, and gaps can be fulfilled. So these are various needs of business research. Now we will start with importance of business research. Why business research are gaining importance in today's era? Importance of business research. Increased role of information, active role of stakeholders, cutthroat competition, increase government's interventions, more complex decisions, and development of management as a group of disciplines. Now we will see each and every point one by one. Increased role of information. The explosive growth of the company's websites, e-commerce, and electronic publications provide enormous information. The quality and credibility of the information is not reliable. Information plays a vital role in decision making. If right information is not received at the right time, organizations may lost in the battle of their competition. So to gain competition advantage, right information at the right time must be getting for the decision makers. Next is active role of stakeholders. First, we will need to understand who are the stakeholders for any organization or firm. Customers, employees, suppliers, stakeholders, etc. are the stakeholders. So, customers, employees, suppliers, channel partners, and shareholders of the organization or firm are stakeholders. These are included in decision making, equipped with necessary and extensive information. They are very keen and take active participation in the growth of the organization. Next is cutthroat competition. Stringent competitive exists in both domestic as well as global market. To establish the brand image, many organizations concentrate on their primary competencies and strive to compare and improve operations by reducing cost and add value to the customers by incorporating the recommendation of the consumers. Next is increase government's interventions. Government continue focuses on the welfare of the citizens by laying down the norms which are becoming increasingly aggressive to use and managerial and business research tools and protect the all aspects of the society. Next is more complex decisions. Managers have many independent variables, hidden variables, and other variables for decision making. Hence, they need better information to get derive greater insights out of them. Next is management as a group of discipline. Development of management as a group of discipline. To cater the changes in the modern era, the quality of theories and models to explain The strategic and tactical aspects in all the field of management is improving and widening the knowledge base of the managers. Next is advanced technology, greater computer power and greater technological and internet speeds, lower cost of data collection, better visualization tools, powerful competition, more integration of data, high speed access to the information, advanced analytical tools for enhanced insights and customized reporting can be achieved through advancement in technology and computing. Next is research methodologies. New perspectives on establishment of research methodologies. Tools and methodologies which are limited to exploratory research are gaining wider acceptance for dealing with wide range of managerial problems. So this is about importance of business research. What is next? In my next video, we will learn about academic research and scientific research. Also, we will understand what are the characteristics of good research. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning, and keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon button for turn on the notifications. All the best.